Are you ready to supercharge your lead generation? Today, we'll show you how to create a high-converting landing page using HubSpot, the ultimate tool for generating quality leads. HubSpot's user-friendly interface makes landing page creation a breeze. Let's get started. First, choose a captivating template from HubSpot's extensive library. Customize it with your brand colors, logo, and compelling copy that highlights the value you offer. With HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor, you can add forms, images, videos, and CTA buttons effortlessly. Preview your landing page on desktop and mobile to ensure a seamless user experience for all your visitors. Don't forget the powerful pop-up forms. Use HubSpot Smart Forms to capture valuable lead information without overwhelming your visitors. Once your landing page is live, track its performance with HubSpot's analytics. Monitor conversion rates and optimize for even better results. When visitors submit their information, HubSpot automatically sends email notifications, ensuring you never miss a hot lead. With seamless CRM integration, all your leads data is organized in one place, making lead management a breeze.
Create your own landing page with HubSpot absolutely free, link in bio. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks to take your business